Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. You're going to want to watch this video here, folks. Rumor has it that there's a speed trap set up on 65 South just north of Bowling Green and the Corvette Museum and Factory. So you know what I did? Yep, I got in the car and headed down here, and I'm telling you, it's legit. So stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you what to look out for and where to look out for it. Again, smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Corvette Dan. Stay tuned. All right, folks, as we stand inside the lobby of the Corvette Museum store here, we are going to tell you what happened on I-65 today. Okay, like I said, there was rumors of a speed trap, right? The last thing I was going to do is take out my phone and actually, record this going on, but there wasn't much to see, but it did exist. Basically, on I-65, going south about 9-ish miles north of exit 28, where you get up to see the museum, factory, and Corvette store, my detector was going off. And sure enough, knowing that I hadn't seen anything yet, I backed off the throttle, and on an overpass, you can't even see the car, there was a state trooper. Well, lo and behold, I wasn't speeding, but sure enough, about 1.5 miles down the road, there was a state trooper on the side of the road, parked with his engine running, and mere couple hundred yards ahead in the center, where you could actually turn around, police and emergency only, was another police officer. They were waiting. I think the premise was, if the trooper that was on the viaduct got you speeding, they'd radio ahead, and they could catch you going either direction. Anyway, I wanted you to be very aware of that. And I've heard this is supposed to be going on all the way through New Year's. So please, if you're traveling down 65 South and you see that and you come across near the museum, be very careful. About 9 miles north of exit 28 heading south on I-65. I'll be heading back north soon here. If I see that going the other way, we're definitely going to make another video, and I'll let you know. Anyway, please smash that thumbs up. Click the notification bell. More videos are coming. I'm at the museum. This is Corvette Dan. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.